Alright, what's up guys? Sharing the screen with you just to let you guys know we're going to speak on something that is very, very, very common to almost all Jamaicans. And that is we're too dependent on sugar. And as we all know, sugar is it is one of the most powerful drugs in the world. Because, see it, Europeans tasted it and enslaved people for almost 400 years. But that's for our next discussion. But on a serious note though, guys, I was doing some soul searching as it relates to personal health. And I was saying, how much sugar should I really consume for a day? I did this Google search, bam, bam, bam. How much sugar should you have a day? I did some little research. And the American Heart Association gave their recommendation. For a man, 9 teaspoons or 36 grams or 150 calories. And for a woman, it's 6 teaspoons or 25 grams or 100 calories of sugar per day. So if you even do your own search on it, I forgot his name, but a ministry official is even quoted to say that the average Jamaican consume almost 100 pounds of sugar a day. And for those who don't know, 100 pounds of sugar is a lot of sugar. And you see, the thing will make it worse, because as I say, I really did some soul searching. What really make it worse is that many persons only look at sugar intake based off what you drink. But if you look at what you eat, sometimes it's even worse. So what I've done, I basically collected some snacks that basically Jamaicans love, or personally, well, I love. But I'm going to go through the sugar content. And please remember this, guys, that there is something on the back of the containers called the nutrition facts. You should read it, because there's a thing called serving size, and serving size tell you the amount you should eat in one sitting. And serving size is not the same as portion, because what you can eat is not the same as the serving size. Because remember, the serving size is basically leading to the 2000 calories you should intake a day. So what I have here, I have a bag of snacks that you can find in your supermarket, and I'm just going to tell you, well, we're just going to go through the sugar that's in each. So we have a pack of chicken and chips here, and the sugar. Well, first let's look at the serving size. Yeah, it's 1. So if you look at the nutrition facts, it basically tells you how much you should eat. So this is 1, so you can eat out the whole pack of this, and it says it have 1 gram of sugar in it. Alright, this is a cinnamon roll made by Honeybun, and the cinnamon roll basically, wow, the serving size per container is 1, and the sugar, it has 20 grams of sugar in it. So if you're a woman and you eat this cinnamon roll, remember, as a woman you should eat 25 grams. So after eating this, you have only 5 grams of sugar left to consume for the day. So as a woman, this cinnamon roll basically is almost the entire sugar consumption for the day. Alright, we're moving on to everybody's favorite cookie, or Milk's favorite cookie, Oreo. And an Oreo, the small pack. It has 4 cookies. It basically has 14 grams of sugar in it. Alright, so this is the new thing, Grace Food Drink. Some people call it the new Lasco. And in this, here, on the back of it, it says total sugars 17 gram. And it also includes 17 grams of added sugar. So when you look at it, the most shocking thing is that some people can drink off the entire pouch. But if you look under the nutrition facts, it says it has 3 servings per sachet. So you can or you shouldn't drink it in one go. It should be drunk over 3 servings. And to get specific, you have to get a serving cup. So all these things need to be taken into consideration if you're really going to be living healthy. So just to show you how powerful drinking this entire thing of food drink. As a man, you're supposed to consume 150 calories. The total calorie per serving is 190. So if you were supposed to drink off the entire pack, you're going to times the 190 by 3. So basically, this shot the amount of sugar you're supposed to eat. Also, Ripples, the potato chips thing. Yeah. So this 1 gram of sugar. So not bad. Saldanza. But people are going to wait, how Saldanza plantain chips have sugar? Yes, it does. It has 4 grams of sugar. The Saldanza chips say, the bag and the nutrition facts, servings per container about 1.5. So you shouldn't eat this in one go. So if you eat the entire pack, you get like 6 grams of sugar. Alright, moving on. What else we have in the bag? Wow. Alright. So this is one of my favorite. I will eat it in one go. I'll probably eat 2. And this is this totally delicious chocolate strip. Let's see how bad it is now. Let's see. Wow. So this says the servings is 3. So you should actually eat this 3 times and not one time that come here eat it. Alright, so under this, wow, it have 19 grams of sugar. And I eat this thing from I know it in one go. So all this time I've been, wow, so I have to multiply 19 by 3. So you see it, enough sugar that still. Enough sugar. Alright, what else there now? But bulla can be bad. And yummy bulla bad too. So hold on. Got the back. Alright, so serving size, unlike the simple delicious thing, the serving size is 1. So you can eat 1 bulla. It said the calories are 440. And remember, you're supposed to consume, look on the screen, as a man 150, as a woman 100, and this has a calories 440. Yummy bulla. And see there, the sugar is 31 grams. So eating this one whole time bulla basically have all the sugar you need for the day. Alright, where are we now? YOLO Excelsior. So this says it has 10 grams of sugar and 10 grams of added sugar. Wow. but some people eat this in one go. But it says here the serving size is 3 sandwiches. So this probably is telling you should eat only 2 at any given time. It has 6 pairs, so you should only eat 2. So for every serving, you get 10 grams plus the 10 grams added sugar for each 2 you eat. So if you eat the entire, you get basically the entire sugar you need for the day. Why, what is good? Alright, what is now? Kiss cake. This is childhood favorite here now. So this is the Bliss pack. Yeah, this can't be bad. I eat this from a little boy. Wow, 11 grams of sugar, not bad. And it says here the serving is, wait, the serving say you're supposed to eat 1 cake. So if you eat 2, you got times the 2 by the 11, so you get 22 grams of sugar. Wow. Why, oh boy, no wonder we're diabetic. Alright, new on the market now. This is the Kiss banana bread, just $60. Made with real bananas, so it can't bad. Can't bad at all, so let's look on it. The serving size is 1. Yeah, so you can eat the entire, but look at this here. Look at this here. It's a 21 grams of sugar and 18 grams of added sugar. That's a lot of sugar. Oh boy. Alright. Where are we now? Bread. What bread no bad? And this is brown bread. So let's see what the bread bag I say now. Serving size 1 slice. So 1 slice of bread me eat. Alright, serving size 1 slice. So for each 1 slice of bread you eat, you get 4 grams of sugar. Wow. You know, most Jamaicans and them have 4 slices for breakfast, so not impossible. Alright. Can't bother go through the entire bag, so that's your homework. You need to check out the rest. But this is the final thing we're looking at, and this is a pack of butter cookies. And it says here, servings per container 2. Serving size, you should only eat 6 cookies. So for each serving, you get 6 grams of sugar. So man, I'm the entire bag. So guys, when you look at it, we are consuming a lot of sugar by drinking, and we make it bad when we eat a lot of sugar. Because let's not kid ourselves, everything have in sugar. So guys, just become a bit more health conscious. I know COVID has us in panic, but let's take the time out to just be conscious of our health. Spend some time and look on the labels.